Welcome to the in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to turn off the always on display option. So first just lock your device, unlock your device and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the display settings and scroll down a little bit with your finger. And now here you'll see the always on panel section. Go there and just to turn off the always on display, tap here once on the switcher and as can you see this option is turned off. And now we'll just check that. Yes, can you see over here the changes on our lock screen? And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.